Well guys, now let's work with the fourth one here. We're trying to find the square root of 1000 to fourth decimal place. We know what is the procedure, so let's just go ahead with that. What I have to do is just write 1000 here, okay, and I will write 4 sets of 4 pairs of zeros because I need 4 decimals. I need 4 of these guys. All right, now I need to pair these guys, so I'm pairing from left side to right after the decimal, and here I will pair like that, first pair and the second pair. That's how it is. Okay, now how do you start the problem? I should see what is the square number which is less than 10, the perfect square. So I can see it is 9, right? And more than 9 is 16, that is more than 10. I don't want that. So let's take this guy, that is 9. That is 3 times 3 is 9. I got it. Subtract this, you get a 1, and I got to add these guys. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's it. You got it. Now I got to take these 2 guys down, okay? And whatever I write here, I should write here. So look at that. I have 6, and if I write 1 here, I can write here 1. I get 61. And if I write a 2 here, then I should write a 2 here. That makes like 124. I don't want this guy because this is more than 100. So very simple. I have a 1 here and a 1 here. I got the first thing here, and that's like 61, and that should be like 39. Now what should I do? I should write this one, whatever I write here, right here once again. Add this guys, you get a 2 and a 6. That is it. Now what next? I got to bring these 2 guys down. So this point goes up here, and these 2 guys are down. So what should I do next? Right, so to get this digit here, I mean after this guy, now I should write the same number here and here, right? And the rule is when I multiply these 2 guys, I should get a number less than 3900. So I'll write 62, and what will I fill here? If I fill 1 1 is like 621, which is very small compared to 3900. So can we think of, let's say, 4? Okay, 4 4 16 1 8 9 46 8 24. That is 2004 496, which is again very small compared to this. Can I go with a higher number? Let's say 62. Let's say we take what? We'll take 8 this time. Let's check. So if you take 8, that'll be like 64. Right, 6 carried, that is 16, and this is 2, and that should be like 48, and 2 is 50. This guy is more than this. So 8 is a bigger number, not happening. So can I take a lesser number? Let's take 6 this time. 6 2. Okay, I'm filling this with 6. 6 6 is 36, 3, and 5 1, 36, and 37. Okay, look at this. I have a 3756. Pretty close to this guy. So I think 6 is good option. Okay, you got it. So you have 3 7 5 6, and let's close this guy. That is 4. That is 4 again. You get a 2. Yeah, to get not 2, you get a 1. Okay, that's it. So 144. What next? So let's continue the process. What I have to do is write the 6 once again, and add these guys. You get a 12, and that's a 3, and that is a 6. Okay, let me write this a little aside because I need a gap here. That is a 2, 3, and 6. I need to fill this guy and this guy here. And what condition? So I can take 2 zeros. The condition is, right now I have is like 6, 3, 2. I got to fill these 2 guys so that it is pretty close to 14,400. Okay, if I even put 1, see what I get is 6,321. Okay, well that's pretty small. Can I use 2? I think 2 should work. 6 3 2. I'm taking 2 here and 2 here. It looks like 4 4 6 and 12. So like 12,644, close to this. Good. So I can take a 2 here and a 2 here. What you get is like 12 6 4 4. Good. So practice. You get a 6, you get a 3, you get a 5. Okay, you get 7, then you get a 1. Okay, that's it. Now take 2 more zeros. Got it. Now what to do now? Again, I have a 2 here, write another 2, add these 2 guys, you'll get a 4. This 2 remains here, 3 and 6. I got to fill this guy now. Condition, whatever I write here, I should write there. So let's take that thing, that is 6 3 2 4. Whatever I write here, I should write that. And the product should be close to 17,000, all right, or 1,75,600. So what you have here is, you want to take 1 here, see what you get, 63241, that is nothing but 63,000. What I need is 1,75,000. I think I should go with 3 should fill it up, all right. 3 would break. We can go with 3. Let's check. 6 3 2 4 3 and 3. I'm taking this 3. That is 9 2 1 6 7 9 and 18. So that is like 1,89,000. But I want 75,000. It means 3 is a little big. So can I go with like 6 3 2 4? Let me take 2. Because 1 is too small, 3 is a little big. So let's take 2, that is 4, 8, 4, 6, and 12. So like 1,26,000. That works. So I can add 1,26,484. Okay, what I'm choosing here is like 2. Okay, this guy is 2 again. Nice. So can I subtract this? Okay, that is like 6. That's like 1. That's like 1 again. And that should be like 15 minus 6 should be 9, and this is like 4. Okay, you get this much, right? 49,000 so much, and I'll take these 2 zeros. Okay, and add this guy, you get what? You get a 4 here, and there's a 4, there's a 2, 3, and 6. I gotta now fill this gap. Okay, the last one I'm looking for. What I have is this. So let's check what I can do this. Right, so I'll just write 6 3 2 4 4. Whatever I write here, if I take 1 and 1 here, I'll get what? 6 3 2 4 4 1. It means nothing but 6,32,000. So what do I have here? It's like 49,11,000. So like 49 lakhs is big, right? So 1 is not a good option. So let me take 6 3 2 4 4, and let's take 5 this time. So we'll do a couple of experiments and come back. I want you guys to go back to your books, a paper and a pen, and try working out which is more closest to this, what to choose. All right, by then I will try to work it out, and let's continue later. Well guys, I tried a couple of multiplications, and I can see that when I took 1 here and 1 here, I got something like 6,32,000, which is very small because I need 49,11,600. Right, when I tried 5, it was like 31 lakhs, 62 and 225. When I tried 7, it was like 44 lakhs. Well, that is pretty close to 49 lakhs. But when I tried 8 and 8 here, then what I see is 50 lakhs, which is exceeding. It means my choice is 7 here and 7 here. That's it. If I take 8, it will exceed this number. So not that. So this is what I need. That is 44. I can write 44. And 27129, 27129, and subtract this. Anyway, I got the 4 decimal points, so I don't have to further do it. So that's all about it. Let's go with the approximation part of it. Well guys, let's go with the approximation part of this thing. That is square of 1000. I got like 31.6227, and it keeps going on like that. All right, so when I want approximation of 3 digits, all right, up to 3 digits, what I do is I write 31.6227. I'll write the 4 of them, and I'll check the 4th digit, and I know that 7 is greater than 5. So when this guy is more than 5, so what I do is I'll increase this by 1. That is 31.623. That's it, and I will not write anything after this. That is it for 2 digits. So what should I do? You guys know this, you can actually do it yourself. What I do is I'll just write 31.622. okay, I'll just write 1 2 3 of them because I'm approximating to 2 digits. So now I'll check this guy. 2 is less than 5, so I'll just discard this guy, and that is 31.62. that is the approximation. So the last one for 1 digit. So what should I do now? So I'll write 31.62. I'll write only 2 after the decimal. Check this guy, that is less than 5, so I'll just discard it. 31.6 is the approximation, right, to 1 digit. That is the square of 1000. That is it.